Look, everyone desires sex, whether it's a man or a woman, and everyone wants to enjoy it. But has anyone ever thought about how to have good sex? Today, we will guide you step by step. The interesting part is that to make it easier for you, we are dividing this topic into two sections. Are you aware of this? Listen carefully because I've worked hard to bring you this information. This knowledge has been brought to you with great effort, so value it and try to understand it. I want you not to feel lost and to be able to enjoy those precious moments with your partner. Sex is not a performance, it's not a race, an exam, or something where you are judged or scored as a good sex partner. It's a way for couples, husband and wife or partners to express love and affection. It's not merely an activity or a performance. We'll break it down into two parts, before bed and in bed. Let's first talk about before bed, what you should do before getting into bed with your partner. Before bed. Number 1. True feelings. If there are no genuine feelings between partners, the relationship will feel like mere performance and can lead to health problems. Understand each other's emotions, feelings, and sentiments. Number 2. Healthy relationship. Analyze whether your relationship is healthy or not. If your relationship is filled with constant arguments, stress, or tension, sex will not be fulfilling. A good connection between partners is crucial for good sex. Number 3. Build excitement. If you're in the mood, subtly whisper into your partner's ear, "Let's have sex tonight." This stimulates both partners throughout the day, keeps happy hormones active, and strengthens your emotional bond. In bed. Number 1. Start with foreplay. Begin with powerful and energetic foreplay. Stimulate the erogenous zones with kisses, touches, and the use of your fingers or tongue. This is a way of expressing love, and starting strongly can make the experience more fulfilling. Number 2. Mutual satisfaction. After you climax, ensure that your partner is also fully satisfied. Pay attention to their needs, stimulate their erogenous zones, and take the time to bring them to climax as well. Spending quality time together post-intimacy is also crucial. Avoid immediately moving away, going to the bathroom, or engaging in other tasks. If you follow these points step by step, it will help create a fulfilling experience for both partners. However, remember that everyone's needs are different. Each man, woman, and relationship is unique. So, adapt this knowledge according to your specific situation.